miles out. We got the tower in sight. We didn't break the record today, but we came really close. So beautiful days like this when the air is dry, the moisture didn't block our view, making good headway. This is an awesome day to fly.
Okay, if you're traffic 5 Mike, left crosswind 5, keep here.
Helicopters love this kind of weather. 18 miles out now. We're about to leave the country here in about 1 minute.
Beautiful reflections across the water, isn't it?
It is. Absolutely gorgeous.
Okay, if you're traffic 5 Mike, downwind 5, full stop, keep here.
So it's Tower's 60th birthday today, and Richard's going to go out there and
tell the world about it again.
Tell the world.
That's right. We just keep fixing it up and making it available for research, and I think, we did get another inquiry, so hopefully we'll get another university PhD students out here working on it.
That'll be nice.
Yeah, it's got some pretty good capabilities for them.
All right, we're less than 3 miles out here. We'll go ahead and start to make our descent towards the tower. And looks like there are some boats out there. I'm counting at least 4. We passed a whole bunch of boats fishing today, and man, what a perfect day to fish. So we'll do a little bypass, wish the tower happy 60th birthday, and
very cool.
Here in just a second, our machine's going to give us a warning. So when it does, if you can just press that inhibit, when it gives us a warning here, it's going to say we're about to hit the tower here in a minute.
I think we're probably not going to. It's going to come on there, is it?
Yeah, it's going to come on there. It's going to tell us.
I think I can reach that even.
Yeah, it's going to tell us. It's not happy. That's okay. That's what it's there for. But man, what a gorgeous day to fish.
Beautiful day outside.
We'll go back and do a little flyby, see if there's any wind out here. According to the waves, according to the surface, there is no wind.
Yeah.
We'll verify real quick with the windsock here on the tower. And
yep, kind of looks like Lake Atlantic right now.
Gosh. Almost makes me wonder, would you go back and get my boat, bring it?
You could. It should be a nice day.
All right, Tower. Happy 60th birthday.
Amen.
We're going to keep you around for another 60 years.
Sounds good.
Oh, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I don't even see an ounce of wind. I don't even see the wind vanes on top moving.
No, they're even aiming different directions now. Free divers in the water, getting all our fish.
What a cold day. I wonder what the water temperature is.
I bet it's still in the 70s. And those young kids, they're all hot-blooded.
That's true.
Beautiful.
Pier 2, Sierra Lima off 23 right turn out to the northwest.
All right, we'll come in from the south here and do a south approach. That way the sun won't be in our eyes as we're trying to land here.
Sounds smart. Pretty sure it won't be moving any. It'll just sit there and wait for us.
It's like an aircraft carrier, but just parked.
Yeah, slightly shorter runway.
Yeah.
Looking good.
I'll go and make a turn to face the final here and get ready for
Caution, terrain, terrain. Warning, terrain, terrain. Warning, terrain, terrain.
That's okay. We'll just have to listen to it.
Warning, terrain, terrain.
Oh, I hit close. I should hit something else.
Warning, terrain, terrain. Caution, terrain, terrain.
To hit like an inhibit, please. Inhibit.
Oh, give it to me one more time.
That's okay. It's done now with it. We're coming from the side here a little bit. Land in the shade.
Very good. Well done, sir.